Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing episode 1.5, and I know that this sounds a little strange, but episode 1 we didn't get as much covered as I'd like to, and a lot of people have told me about some problems they've had from the effects of that. So let's just get started with showing you guys how you can configure Visual Studio Code. So say you just booted up Visual Studio Code, it won't look anything like this. Let's get it to look like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our extensions panel here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to type Python. You're going to download the Python extension, and then we are also going to download OneDark Pro right here. Once it's downloaded, we click Set Color Theme, and then click Darker. And if that's what you want it to look like, that just determines what it looks like. So if you want it to look the same as mine, that's how you can get it done. Some also ones I'd recommend would be your bracket pair colorizer, I think it's called. Yep, this. What this does is it makes it so your brackets match up. So, for example, see I have this from episode 5. You can see that we have now 2 brackets. It's just very, very handy to have when you're working to have this, because it keeps track of your brackets. Also, some other ones that I like are a lot of the other ones I have are for separate languages, but feel free to go through and check out any of the other extensions while you are looking at your thing. There's extensions for everything from HTML to everything. I also use this material icon theme if you want the icons I have for all the different languages and stuff. And I have Pylance here. Pretty sure this comes with it, but if it doesn't, I would pick this up. This just gives you the language server. Then most of the other stuff here is for other languages and things like that. Feel free to also get any other things you want that might help you program, but for me, this is what I would recommend. Just mainly OneDark Pro, Bracket Pair Colorizer, and that. Now, say you've written your first program. So let's go back to episode 3's program here, for example. And we want to now run it. So you're going to run your programs with this little button here, and this will run them, and you can use them. If you want to actually begin a program, you click this little new file button, and you type, for example, the name of your program. So name this one my program, and then you do .py, and this will create a Python file for your program. Finally, if you want to actually begin writing in your program, for Visual Studio, you should just be able to begin writing, but if you were working on Sublime Text, then you would need to go to the bottom here and click Python. You might have to scroll down to it because it is a little bit the way it's down, but you'll need to click Python on Sublime Text, and that'll allow you to run it, and then from here you press Control-B. Sorry if there's any confusion in the first episode. Hopefully this has helped to clear up any of that confusion that might have been lying there. Have a good day and enjoy the series.